Hi viewers, this is my fourth video. In this video I am going to explain you about the basic accounting terms. Accounting is called language of business. Means a business की भाषा है. यानी आपको what is the language of business, what is the terminology, what are the words used in the business, you have to know. So these are the some of around 30 or 25 accounting terms are there. In this video we discuss the 14 accounting terms, 14 accounting terminology words. That is, the first is begin with the business transactions. I already told you what is the meaning of a transaction. Economic activity of a business which has done by the businessman is called a business transaction. The economic activity which has done that will be equal to money or money's worth. Transfer of goods, exchange of goods and services comes under business transactions. So here you see business transaction example is goods sold rupees 1,50,000. It is called business transaction. Here the business transaction has taken place and the transaction implies that here involving money. It is equal to money. Goods sold goods worth is 1,50,000 and received cash 1,50,000 and goods are given 1,50,000. Means it is a business transaction, economic activity. Now come to the second one is event. Event is an incident. The transaction has taken in a chronological way on a particular date and particular situation. That is called event. Suppose the same transaction goods sold has done on the August 24. It is an event. Means the incident has done. Something has happened. That activity which is related to money and money's worth called an event. Now come to the very important thing, very important point, that is capital. Now here we discuss capital. Amount invested in the business by the businessman is called capital. यानी businessman बिजनेस को शुरू करने के लिए बिजनेस को ज़रूरत है सो पैसों को अगर बिजनेस में इन्वेस्टमेंट करे तो उसको अपन बोलते हैं कैपिटल. कैपिटल इज अ लाइबिलिटी. Why it is liability? I will explain you. So many people get confusion. अरे मेरा पैसा मैं बिजनेस में लगाया तो मेरे को नहीं तो बिजनेस को कर्ज क्यों होता? Liability means कर्जे. So your capital is what here become a liability. Why it is become a liability means suppose a businessman made a plan to start a business with the rupees of 5 lakhs. The 5 lakh amount which is investing is called capital. And the businessman, after some accounting periods, completion of some accounting periods, the businessman want to take back the amount from the business. यानी बिजनेस में पहले शुरुआत में बिजनेस में इन्वेस्टमेंट करता, कुछ साल होने के बाद उनको अच्छे प्रॉफिट्स आने के बाद उन्होंने जितना लगाए सो पैसे उन्होंने फिर वापस लेना बोल के सोचता. यानी बिजनेस पहले पैसे ले रहा बिजनेसमैन से, फिर बाद में बिजनेसमैन को फिर पैसे दे रहा. Whatever the amount payable in the future become liability. That is called capital. Drawings. Businessman from the business for his personal purpose. He withdraw cash or he withdraws goods from the business is called drawings. From the business he withdraw the cash. From the business he withdraw the goods for his personal purpose called drawings. Now come to assets. Assets are properties. I told you in the first video that every business have 6 types of transactions. We now discuss these 6 types of transactions are called 6 basic accounting terms. One is the asset. Asset means your property. Every business has certain assets. Without assets, business cannot be run. Suppose a factory is there, machinery is needed, machinery is asset. Suppose a small showroom is there, needed some furniture, asset. Furniture, machinery, building, land, these are all called assets. These are called capital assets. Why those are called capital assets? At the time of commencement of the business, यानी business को शुरू कर रहे जब बीच ये पूरे assets को उन्होंने एक ही बार खरीद के रख लेता, यानी investing capital. Okay ना? Investing capital is called assets. And come to liabilities, kharje. Every business, how the assets are there, every business have certain sum of liabilities. Kharje rehte. The liability may be own liability, equity, or the liability which is taken, borrowed from the outside, from the banks or from the financial institutions. Those are called liabilities. यानी उन्होंने बिजनेस को शुरू करने के लिए सपोज एक 2 लाख रुपीस की ज़रूरत है, उनके पास 1 ही लाख रुपए है, दैट इज कैपिटल. लेकिन बिजनेस को शुरू करना बोले तो और 1 लाख रुपए चाहिए, तो वो बैंक में से क्या करता, लोन लेता. मीन्स द एनी अमाउंट इज टेकन फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड विच इज पेएबल इन द फ्यूचर बिकम लायबिलिटी. एंड नाउ कम टू एक्सपेंसेस. Expenditure, the cost incurred for the business purpose is called expenditure. Any amount spent to derive the benefit, कुछ फायदा पाने के लिए जो भी खर्च करा उसको एक्सपेंडिचर बोलते. खाली पीली खर्च करे तो उसको बिजनेस में वी कैन नॉट से इट इज एक्सपेंडिचर. इट इज अननेसेसरी, अनयूजफुल एक्सपेंडिचर बिकॉज नो बेनिफिट. सपोज a factory is there on rental basis, rent pay for the month of particular. Then with that rent, with that particular month, he derived the benefit. So the expenditure is useful. And revenue, income source of the finance is called revenue. So every business, the best revenue is sales. Means getting the income. Revenue is the income from the source of sale of goods. जनरली बिजनेस में ज़्यादा क्या होता है बोलते, गुड्स को सेल करना होता है. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इनकम, हमेशा इनकम फ्लो होता रहता. कौन सा बोले तो सेल्स. सेल ऑफ गुड्स विद द रिसिप्ट, दैट मे बी कैश सेल्स और क्रेडिट सेल्स बिकम ए गुड रेवेन्यू. एंड नाउ कम टू इनकम. जनरली हियर द a particular source, with the particular source of income equals to whatever the particular sale of goods, with the particular sale of goods, whatever the revenue is received, from the revenue expenses are deducted, then we get the income. From the particular source of revenue, the particular expenditure, related expenditure supposed to be deducted, we get the income. That is called income. Income means inflow of money to the business by the source of revenue is called income. Profit. Often the students will get confusion what is the meaning of income and what is the meaning of profit. Profit or a loss, both are. What here? By running the business for a particular accounting period or particular financial period, at the end of the particular financial period, with all type of transactions, with all type of revenues, whatever if he gets an income is called a profit. Means for a particular thing. Now this is the previous year 1920. In the 1920 financial year, so many business transactions has done, so many expenses are made, and with that the business expenditure, with that business revenue, to that particular 1920 financial year, whatever the benefit is derived become a profit. Of no benefit, expenditure is more, income is less, then it will become a loss. There may be profit or there may be a loss also. Again, one more thing, these profit and losses are again two types: revenue profit and capital profit. Previously, whatever I told you, that profit of a particular financial year, it is called a revenue profit, which is repeated in nature. But capital profit is not like that. Capital profit is a profit which comes rarely in nature, occurs rarely in nature. How? I will tell you one example about the beautiful example about the capital profit here. Asset. One asset is purchased. some years are rolled, and now whatever the asset which is purchased is unuseful, then the asset will be sold in the market. The asset value is 20,000 but sold for 25,000. Sold amount is 25,000, cost is 20,000, the difference amount is called 5,000, that is called capital profit. If we get loss, that is called capital loss. Means capital losses, capital profits are differ from the revenue profits and revenue losses. It's very carefully here. Wow, the profit and losses while learning what is revenue profit and what is capital profit, you have to know. For the particular financial year period purpose, whatever the profit is derived, which is repeated in nature means in the same year it may get, or in the next year it may get, it is called revenue profit. And come for debtors. It is very important. Debtors are the persons who receive the benefit from the business and promise to pay the money or money's worth in the future. Those persons are called debtors. यहाँ पर देखो ये डेटार्स और क्रेडिटर्स में बहुत सारा कंफ्यूज होता रहता. डेटार्स यानी कोई भी नहीं है, कुछ लोग यानी कस्टमर्स बिजनेस से फायदा लेते उन्होंने, लेके जब का जब उन्होंने पैसे नहीं देते बिजनेस, मतलब बिजनेस से फायदा लिए बोले तो बिजनेस को पैसे देना पड़ता, यानी बिजनेस हैज टू रिसीव द मनी फ्रॉम देम. लेकिन उन लोग क्या बोलते हैं, फायदा आप बिजनेस हमको दो, आपका पैसे हम फ्यूचर में पे करते. मीन्स बिजनेस रिसीव द अमाउंट इन द फ्यूचर, वट एवर द बेनिफिट इज गिवन नाउ, until the amount received from them they are become debtors. यानी उनसे आने का पैसे, उन्होंने बोलते उन्होंने पैसे उनसे आने का है, अपन उन्होंने देने वाले हैं. बिजनेस को जो लोग पैसे देने के रहते, गुड्स बेचने की जरिया, उनको अपन बोल सकते हैं डेटर्स. ओके, नाउ कम टू द क्रेडिटर. क्रेडिटर इज अ रिवर्स टू द डेटर. वन मोर थिंग, बिजनेस को पैसे आने का है. अच्छा सुनो, यहां पर बिजनेस को पैसे आने का है, बिकम असेट. जो भी बिजनेस को आने का रहता असेट होता. क्रेडिटर, creditor is a person who gives the benefit to the business, but business promise to him to pay the cash in the future is called creditor. Creditors भी एक पर्सन है, सप्लायर्स है क्रेडिटर्स. एक्चुअली बिजनेस को फायदा देता हूं, लेकिन बिजनेस बोलता तुमको तुम्हारे फायदेमंद के पैसे हम फ्यूचर में देते बोल. जब तक बिजनेस वो सप्लायर को पैसे तब तक नहीं देता, उन्होंने क्रेडिटर बनता बिजनेस को. ही बिकम अ क्रेडिटर. ओके ना. सो नाउ देयर इज ए क्रेडिटर इज ए लायबिलिटी. क्यों, मतलब देने का है ना, बिजनेस देने का है. जो भी ट्रांजेक्शन यहाँ पर वाट एवर द अकाउंटिंग टर्म्स विच आई एम यूजिंग, थिंक इन फेवर ऑफ द बिजनेस, नॉट इन फेवर ऑफ द अदर पर्सन. एंड नाउ कम टू द गुड्स. Any amount spent on a particular article for the purpose of sale is called goods, which may be manufactured or which may be traded. यानी जो भी चीज अपन खरीद के लाके बेचने के वास्ते, जो भी चीज अपन खरीद के लाते उसको अपन बोलते गुड्स. Anything which we bought, anything which we purchased for the purpose of sale is called a good. Good is very important one, and I will give you a clear clarification. A particular thing will be good to the particular business, and the same thing will become asset to the particular business. How it is, I will tell you. We know the very famous general store is Patel General Store. The proprietor of the Patel General Store purchased a car for his business purpose. It is not a good to him because of the businessman, the proprietor, derive the benefit from the car for long and long period for the business purpose. यानी बिजनेस पटेल जीन स्टोर का ओनर जो कार को खरीदा बेचने के वास्ते नहीं है, क्यों? मतलब उनका शॉप बिजनेस है, जनरल स्टोर. ओके ना? द सेम कार इज परचेज्ड बाय द मारुति शोरूम ओनर फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ सेल इज कॉल्ड गुड. मीन्स हियर द कार एक ही है, देखो एक तरफ असेट हो रहा, एक को गुड हो रहा. यानी बिजनेस के नेचर के मुताबिक वो कुछ लोगों को गुड बनती, कुछ लोगों को असेट बनता. ओके, नाउ इट इज क्लियर. Now these are the 14 important basic accounting terms we discussed very clearly. In the next class we discuss some other topics with a good hope. Okay, thank you very much.